So we start off with the let variable change me, and we're going to set it equal to a boolean true, which is lowercase. All right. The first thing I think in the beginning of this task, I mentioned that you're setting a variable to another variable. It is possible. I think that's incorrect. You can set a string to a let variable, and then you can assign it another string or a different string, and it will change its value. So that's what I meant by the let variable. Whereas with the const variable, you cannot do that. It stays static. It stays the same. If you try and assign another string or number to that const variable, it will break the program. The program will break. So, all right. So let change me equal true. This is actually the right way with the semicolon at the end. But if you assign the variable without the semicolon, it will still work. So yeah, this is actually good practice. So number 2, on the line after change me is declared, set the value of change me to the boolean false. So it says here, on the line after change me is declared, set the value of change me to boolean false. So now you don't need to declare let change me again. You just say it's already been declared. So just take change me, just the word itself, and then the variable as is, and then assign it false. Then run. Just hold on. To check if change me was reassigned, log the value saved to change me to the console. Yeah, and then they asked another thing. They ask you to console.log change me just to see if the program is working. Okay. As you can see, I took let change me, we assigned the boolean true and reassigned the boolean false. When we console.log, it prints out false. Okay, moving on.